How to watch live sessions on this channel, Sumita Roy's English Classroom. How to join as a channel member. These are questions which you have been asking again and again. It is difficult for me to reply to you individually. Therefore, here is the video where I shall explain step by step how you can watch live sessions on this channel and how you can join as a channel member. Let us now go forward. First, we begin with how to watch a live session. We have already had some live sessions on the channel in the last 1 month. We have had some 4 live sessions for special members of the channel. One of them was open to all the members, primary and special members of the channel. Recently, we had a live session which was open to everybody. Whoever wanted could join the live session. But then, after the session was made public on YouTube, you had doubts as to how we should watch that live session. Let me now explain that to you. Step number 1 is open any video on the channel. Here you can see the picture that one video is open. I have given you the screenshot of one of the videos. Next, click to go to the home page of the channel. You should click here. You can see here, picture is there and the name of the channel. Only you can see Sumita here, but you will find when you click, the entire channel comes in front of you. So open any video. There are almost 300 videos now, and in every one of them you will find that there is this link which leads you to the home page of the channel. Look at this screenshot. This is the home page of my channel. You see the picture, you see the name, Sumita Roy's English Classroom. C has been corrected, suggestion by one of our subscribers. Then you have the link and you have the number of subscribers and also the number of videos. Then if you click more here, you will know I am all about it. Here is a button for subscribing. So if you want, you can subscribe. If you're already subscribed, no problem. Then you come to this, home is where we are now. So it is underlined. If you want the list of videos, you click here, videos. But what we are doing today is live. So next to the videos, there is the button which says live. If you click here, you will be able to see all the live sessions which have been recorded and which are uploaded here. Whenever you have time, you want to watch them, you can go here. After that, there is podcast. If you go further, you will find playlist and then you will find posts. All these are there in the home page of the channel. When you click on the live button, immediately after videos is the live button. You will find that all the live sessions which we have had, we had introductory live session, then we had 30th August, then we had, this was for special members, this also for special members, then all these were for special members. Then you have a live session which was open to everybody. This is the one which was open to everybody. And then you have another one, it says upcoming. That means it is a live session which is yet to happen. The announcement is given here. The next live session for members is on 27th, therefore 27th of September 2025. Therefore, that is given here as upcoming. If you are a member, then you can go here. It says members only. So this session is only for special members, and then you have to click on the link which is given here. Then you will be able to see the session live and interact with me. Otherwise, all the sessions are available in the recorded form, but in live. You need to go to live, not to the videos, if you want to see all these sessions. I'm sure now all of you know how to join a live session or how to watch a live session whenever you want to see by going to the live button. The second point which we are going to talk about today, which many of you are asking all the time, how to become a channel member. You don't know how to become, you have not become a channel member yet, and you want to become a channel member. Here are the steps. I'm going to give you all the steps which you can follow to join as a member of the channel. We have two varieties of membership, a primary membership and a special membership. When you decide to become a member, then you must click on join. There is a button join exactly on the channel videos and home page. It is available on any page of the channel. Whichever video you go to, you will find this button join. Let me show you in greater detail so that you do not have a problem. Anybody who has a problem can revisit this video again and again. Whenever you have a problem, you can come to this video and check it out. Those of you who are going to come to the channel in future, when you ask me a question, I will give you the link to this video so that all explanation is clearly available to you. These two screenshots you saw earlier also when I was talking to you about how you can see the live sessions. Here I have used the same two screenshots, but you can see here I did not speak about this earlier. I only spoke about the going to the home page. Now I'm showing you how to join. Here is the home page. Now we are not talking about that. Immediately below the title of the video, you have a button join. It's very clearly given. Here is the notification button. If you press the notification button, then everything that is happening in the channel will be informed to you immediately. A video is uploaded, you get information. A live class is upcoming, you get a notification. Any post comes, you get a notification. So this is the notification button. Now here you have the join button. Since we are talking about joining as a member, all you have to do is click on this. If you go to the home page also, which you have seen earlier, you find that here also there is a button called join. And here we have the list of members who are already there. Please remember that join is there everywhere. On the home page there is join here. Subscribe is here. All of you have subscribed already. Now here is for those people who are interested in joining as members, right below it. Here again you have the word join. After our members, you have the idea of join. So any screen on the channel leads you to join. Once you click that, you will get all the details there. Those details I'm not going to include here. You can also become a member by clicking on this link. See, the link is given here. And if you click this link, because it has the word join in it, it is the link for becoming a member of this channel. when a live class was going on 23rd of September, just a few days back. Many people were becoming members at that point of time, and then they were attending the session also. So you can become a member by clicking on any upcoming live session. You can see here, this is an upcoming live session. These live sessions are for members only. So if you click that live session, then you go to all the details of the videos which are available to members. Since this is a member only upcoming session, you will be directed how to join so that you can watch the video. Those who are not members get the video much later. But for members, you have the chance of interacting with other members, with me, if you join the class live. So here is what you have to do. You go to this and then you will be able to special member live scheduled for 27/9, and here you have the tag upcoming. You can easily see upcoming is written here. These are various methods of becoming members. Here, when you click on this video, if you're not a member, this message will come to you. It'll say, this video is available to this channel's members on the level special member or any higher price level. We don't have a higher price level at present. So this is called special member live online class number 3. For special members, we started with an introduction. Then we started a course of 45 days. This will be 45 live sessions of a structured course. The first 5 lessons are on vocabulary. We have completed 2 of them. The next class, that is on 27th September, it will be a 3rd vocabulary class. This will be followed by 2 more vocabulary classes, and then we shall go to grammar, pronunciation, then speaking, listening, reading, writing. There are 9 units which I have explained in the first video, that is video class number 1. And if you see the details in class number 1 and you really want this structured course, then you need to become a special member. You can do it either by saying buy membership. When you click on the upcoming video, you will get a button, buy membership. You can click that, or you can also click join. Either of these two will take you to the steps to become a member. Membership, which is offered by YouTube, is on a monthly basis. That means from month to month, a member needs to renew if he or she wants to continue as a member. So as a special member, you will attend the course which I have just now told you. It is a 45 sessions course dealing with every aspect of learning English. If you want to learn for your personal needs, if you want to learn for your profession, if you want to learn to teach English, because many English teachers are there on the channel, for all these people, this structured course offered to special members is excellent. Primary members can also see this, but it will come as soon as YouTube processes the live session. YouTube takes a little time to process the live session, and then everybody can see it. But if you are present at the live session, you can ask questions. When I give you an exercise, you can answer the questions. You can tell me what exactly you want, how much of it you want. You can keep expressing your ideas in these 1-hour live sessions. The live sessions are very long, and everybody gets a chance to say something or to contribute. Each member can talk to the others. You can build up a community of members and have discussions on the live session. That would be wonderful. Once we do 5 sessions of vocabulary, on the last day, I will give you a lot of idea about how you can tell me whether the live session on vocabulary has made your vocabulary better. So either as a primary member, you can see it, or as a special member, you can participate live and chat live with all of us. Now I hope your questions are answered, how to view a live session and how to become a channel member. Whenever you have doubts, please watch the video and your doubts will be cleared. Thank you and all the best.